Audio Jungle.
Good morning to all. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. If this is true, then our budding scientists should be provided ample opportunity in experimenting in science, in labs, classrooms, homes, etc. for a better technological tomorrow. In addition to this, keeping in view the inculcation of scientific attitude, scientific bent of mind, problem-solving ability, and so on. Aiming in the popularization of science, our school management had provided an opportunity to our kids in doing this science expo. Let us look into the minds of our young scientists of St. Charles.
Hi, my name is Aishali Fistam, studying 8th standard C section. And today, let me explain you about Brahmagupta, the great mathematician. Brahmagupta, an Indian mathematician and visionary, 1500 years ago, laid the very foundation of almost every scientific development through his most important discovery of nothing, that's zero. Yes, he was the founder of zero. He was born on 598 AD in Rajasthan, India. He gave zero its own identity and then split it into two equal but opposite components by giving birth to negative numbers. Yes, he was also the founder of negative numbers. He then invented the values and rules for calculation with zero, but he went little wrong with division too. His numeric ideas of zero created computations of currency, astronomy, scales, coordinates, thermometers, and revolutionary computer languages of zero and ones. Though known for the advent of zero, Brahmagupta has many firsts to his names: explanation of eclipse, concepts of trigonometry, geometry, and many other important formulas, estimation and value of pi, and even gravitation. He was died on 670 AD. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am yesterday 6th standard A section. All of you see my science expo. My topic is protect our earth. I will tell about earth before global warming and causes and effect of global warming. In earth before global warming, there are simple lifestyle and the trees absorb carbon dioxide. In causes and effect of global warming, deforestation. Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that lost. See, the animals were dead by the deforestation. Factories. The factories release air pollution and water pollution. Water pollution. The pond. The garbages are there. Fishes are dead. Buildings. Modern people depend on fossil fuels to provide us heat and electricity. Volcanic eruption. They release greenhouse gases. In Earth before global warming, the glaciers are in normal and the sea level is in normal. In the causes and effect of global warming, the glaciers are melting and the sea level is rising. Natural greenhouse effect. The solar radiation is coming lightly and slowly. More heat escapes into space. In human enhanced greenhouse effect, the solar radiation is coming very darkly and fastly. Less heat escapes into space. Greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Global warming: the thicker layer of greenhouse gases traps more heat. This results in an increased average temperature of the earth and the earth. It becomes hotter and hotter. This is called global warming. The atmosphere. The atmosphere has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The troposphere.
Hi friends, this is Sandeep Raha 4th B. My experiment is about properties of air. First property is air occupies space. Take a glass and invert into a bowl of water. Press the glass gradually. What happened? Water does not enter into the glass because air is in the glass. Now tilt the glass slightly. See, air bubbles coming out and water enters into the glass. It shows air occupies space. Second property is air does not have definite shape. Take a balloon and fill air in it. See, air takes the shape of the balloon. It shows air does not have definite shape. It takes the shape of the container. Third property is air has weight. Take your two balloons and fill air in it. Hold it with balance. Now, puncture one balloon. See, the balloon filled with air is heavier than the deflated balloon. It shows air as weight. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I'm me Nikita from 8th Standard C section. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Here I'm going to show you a mini vacuum cleaner. In today's world, we are using many electrical appliances. Among them, vacuum cleaner helps us to keep our home, office and other places dust-free and bacteria-free. Now let's watch how this is working. Thank you.
Hi, I am S. Dashwin Raj, a grade 4 standard B section student from St. Charles Matriculation IS Secondary School, Tirupattur. My project name is EQUAC Alarm, a working model of simple EQUAC detector working on a closed and open circuit. EQUAC vibrations makes us shrink with suspended weight, vibrate and close the circuit. As the wire touches the metal loops, once the circuit was complete, the buzzer and LED light goes off as an alarm. Components: 9-volt battery cap connector, wire, switch, on-off switch, light, resistor, buzzer, bolt, safety pin, cardboard. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss. I am Miss Jivitas, 5th standard A section. I am going to say about the spinal cord with the nerves. This is brain in the head. It continues to the brainstem in the pivot joint or neck. The brainstem continues to the spinal cord in the center of the backbone. The spinal cord continues to the nerves. The nerve continues to the backbone. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerve tissues which is placed protectively in the center of the backbone. It runs down to the backbone from the brainstem. Nerves branch out to every part of the body from the spinal cord. The spinal cord helps to transfer messages from the brain to other body parts. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I am R. Salman Ahmad Khan. I am studying 5th standard A section. Today I am going to explain about auto blink traffic poles. As the filament in a bulb or pencil lead gets hotter and hotter, atoms in the filament and start vibrating faster and finally gets so hot, then it will give off light. A pencil is made up of graphite and consists of stacked sheet of carbon atoms. Therefore, it will act like wire on paper to create the circuit model. Conclusion. From this, we understood that in pencil there are carbon atoms. Using the help of carbon atoms and pens and battery, we can pencil also produce electricity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is J. Pratiksha, 6th standard A section. Today my exhibit is Newton's cradle. Newton's cradle is a device that demonstrates energy used in a series of swinging spheres. Newton's cradle consists of a series of identically sized metal balls suspended in a metal frame. When one sphere at the end is lifted and released, it strikes the stationary spheres and pushes the last sphere leftward. Repeat the effect in the opposite direction. Also try 2-3 balls. It is also known as Newton's pendulum, Newton's pot, Newton's rocker. Newton's cradle has been done for more 20 times moves. It is used in desk decoration. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is MG Poojasti from 7th B. In this science exhibition, I have read a coin sorting machine which will be very useful to separation of coins. Now it is very easy to separate the coins. Now the 1 rupee coins fall in this cup and 2 rupee coins are here. Now 2 rupees coin can fall in this. And the 10 rupee coins are fall in this cup. It makes our work fast and easier. If just we want to insert the coins here, He can make our work easier and faster. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is C.V. Samit, studying in 7th A. We are in COVID period. Nowadays, there are many thieves. How can we protect our house? Yes, I have an idea. That is, we should fix an security alarm in our home, school, bank, and industries, etc. My science assessment project is security alarm. Now we can see how it works. Burglar alarm system consists of a series of electrical components that are connected to a property via sensors and contacts. They detect movements or the opening doors and windows upon which a loud noise is produced to alert those nearby of the unauthorized entry. Now let us see the circuit inside. Now we can see uses of security alarm. Security alarm is a system designed to detect instructions such as unauthorized entry into your building or other areas such as schools, homes, industries, banks and jewels, etc. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is K. Nitin. I am from 6th A. Today I am going to show about soluble and insoluble. We have here salt, sugar, rice, oil. We pour salt, sugar, and rice, and oil. And we pour water. And we mix it. And salt and sugar is dissolved. Rice and oil is not dissolved. It is called soluble and insoluble. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is K. Nitin. I am from 6th A. Today I am going to show about soluble and insoluble. We have here salt, sugar, rice, oil. We pour salt, sugar, and rice, and oil. And we pour water.
My name is Jay Priyadarshini. I am studying 7C. My science project is types of motion. Now I am going to explain it. What is motion? When an object changes its position with time, it is said to be in motion. There are many types of motion. I am going to explain 4 types of motion. They are circular motion, rotational motion, periodic motion, rectilinear motion. First, I am going to explain about circular motion. When a body moves on a circular path, it is circular motion. An example of circular motion is fan. Then, rotational motion. The motion of an object around a circular path in a fixed orbit. An example of rotational motion is Earth's rotation in a fixed orbit. Then, rectilinear motion. When an object moves along a straight path is called rectilinear motion. An example of rectilinear motion is moving of car. Then, periodic motion that repeats itself in a fixed time in interval is called periodic motion. An example of periodic motion is the moving of swing. Thank you.
My name is Jay Priyadarshini. I am studying in 50A. My science project is wind turbine. I am going to explain it. Now we can see how it works. Wind turbines turns wind energy into electricity using a aerodynamic force from the rotate blade, which works like an aeroplane wings or helicopter rotate blade. When a wind flows across the blade, the air pressures on one side of the blade decrease wind blow past turbine rotating in mechanical energy. Gearbox speed a generator to produce electricity, transform cover electricity to appropriate voltage. Electricity can then be stored or transported to grid for distribute. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am B. Roshan Vijay. Today I am going to explain about Newton's cradle in the Science Expo. Experiment to demonstrate the scientific idea called momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. We see how it works. When we swing one of the spheres, the momentum transferred to these spheres and the last sphere moves upward. When we swing two spheres, the momentum transferred to the last two spheres and the last two spheres moves upward. Like the same, we swing three spheres, the momentum transferred to these three spheres and the three spheres moves upward. Once again we will see. Thank you.
Good morning principals, teachers and my dear friends. As I am here to going to explain about soil profile and its layers. Soils are arranged as layers and horizons. Soils can be identified as soil color, size and particles. Soils have different layers. They are topsoil, subsoil, parent rock and bed. Topsoil. Topsoil is also called Arizonate. This layer is rich in organic materials and decomposed matter. This layer is also called humus layer. The humus makes the soil soft and porous to hold enough water and air. Seeds germinate in this layer and roots of the plants grow. Microorganisms also grow in this layer. The next layer is subsoil. Subsoil also called Arizon B. This layer consists of less humus and organic materials but rich in metals, salts and iron oxide. It holds more water than Arizon A. Farmers often mix Arizon A and B while ploughing their fields. The third layer is parent rock. Parent rock consists of weathered rock fragments and it is mainly used of contest soil formation. It has a large influence on nature of resulting of soil. Bed. The last layer is bedrock. Bedrock is also called Arizona. This layer consists of unweathered part of bedrock. This layer has no organic matter and it is made up of rocks and stones. This layer is very hard. This layer represents the transition between earth and bedrock. Arizona A and B.
My name is Horace Ramyasri. I am studying 6th standard B section. I did the ATM machine. When we put the coin inside the hole and using this ATM card, when we swipe means the coin will come down.
A Aftab, 6th standard B section. Now we make the DC motor board. Now see the things. One bottle, 2 wooden sticks, 1 gun, DC motor and the connecting fan, 2 wire and 1 switch. Thank you, miss. One. Yes, now take it. That's all, miss. Miss, now boat is free.
पानी डाल रहा है
Thank you, miss.
Good morning to all. I am A. Kavya from 8th B section. I am going to say about the lungs. The lungs absorb oxygen, the air we breathe. Now see, I am going to do. There are 2 lenses. They protect waste gas is called carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, the waste gas will go out. Our lungs fresh oxygen into body. The lungs are the key organ in human body. Thank you, miss.
Hi friends, I am Rakshita from 5th A. Today we are going to do an experiment to check the fact that the things lesser than the density of water on any other liquid flows on it. For this we need 2 glasses of water, common salt and 2 lemon. The procedure of this experiment is very simple. Now
fill it up into 1 glass of water in tap water. Now take a lemon, put it in 1 glass of water. See what is happening next. The lemon is going to in 1 glass of water inside. Now take another glass, fill it up into tap water. Now take a lemon, put it in 1 glass of water. 3 or 2 spoons of salt. Now take a lemon, put it into salt water. See, the lemon flows on it. Thank you.
Science is simply the word we use to describe a method of organizing our curiosity by Tim Minchin. The purpose of science is to downscaling everything to physical level and measures, but to penetrate deeper into the realm behind the sensory precipitation and bring more in-depth knowledge and wisdom to the world. Thus, it is proved by depth knowledge of our young Charlians to their various experiments. Science gives us knowledge and always makes us to think how and why. Hence, all good things about science is that it's whether true or not, you believe in it. Thank you.